Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on content creation with Canva, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To save on content creation with Canva, start by visiting the Canva website or app. Create a free account if you don't have one already. Explore the extensive library of templates available for various content types. Select a template that closely matches your content needs. Customize the template by clicking on the elements you want to change. Replace images with your own or choose from Canva's free image library. Edit the text fields with your own content, adjusting fonts and sizes as necessary. Use Canva's built-in features to adjust colors and design elements to fit your brand. If you're working on social media, ensure your design is optimized for the correct platform size. Explore elements such as icons, illustrations, and charts to enhance your visuals at no extra cost. Once satisfied with your design, download it in your desired format. Consider using Canva's Content Planner to schedule and organize your posts. For advanced features, explore Canva Pro, which offers more templates and tools at a monthly rate. Review your designs periodically to keep your content fresh and relevant. Utilizing Canva can greatly reduce your content creation costs while maintaining quality. Stay creative and experiment with different styles and formats within Canva. With practice, you'll become more efficient in creating stunning visuals for any platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.